Just east of Austin, watch as a twister lifts a pickup off the ground, spinning it around and then landing it back on its wheels. Take another look.
Tornado, northeast Lincoln, Nebraska. Time is 2:54. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Cameron McNeil was in Clarksville, Tennessee when the severe storm worsened around him. McNeil says his car was totally totaled.
A woman in Lake Mary, Florida, recorded as a tornado passed over her car near Orlando Monday. You can see the debris flying and hear some of it pummeling the car as the woman is shocked about the situation. The winds and rain only get heavier and the trees can be seen swaying in the background. This was an EF2 tornado with winds up to 120 miles per hour.
As intense wind and rain whip around them, they don't know whether to stay or seek shelter outside their RV.
Baby, come on. Come.
They decide it's too dangerous inside their vehicle. The woman takes their two dogs and runs right into the tornado, ending up in a watery ditch.
Gets eaten by the tornado, picked up and tossed a couple hundred yards down. But to see the tornado actually pick it up and the car disappear, I've never seen before.
Coming up on a tornado, right? Coming up on a tornado. It's huge. I'm gonna roll the window down. This probably isn't a smart thing to do. I'm gonna roll it down. It's a monster. Oh God. Oh, we were in the eye of the storm.
Hold on, brothers. Hold on. Everybody duck, go. Just keep it going if you can. Keep going if you can. Everybody duck down. Everybody duck down.